do about this? I kinda screwed up. I totally forgot to bring lunch. It's not here. I could just skip lunchtime, right? If I do that, though, my stomach's gonna make some loud noises. And what if Kato hears them? Oh gosh. I'd die of embarrassment. But bread! I can buy some bread to eat, right? I don't have much allowance this month, but if it's either that or people hearing my stomach, it's not even a question.
Student store.
What about... Ooh, that looks really good. Alright, I'll just buy that. Huh? Where's my wallet? I forgot it back in the classroom! I've got to go back and get money before they sell out. Sorry about... Kato?
Sorry about that. Are you alright, Mizuno? Actually, I saw you looking at the bread. Were you gonna buy something?
He startled me! My voice isn't coming out! Well... I forgot my wallet, so I have to go get it.
I see.
Whew, I can go back and get it now.
Aren't they gonna run out soon, though? If you have to leave... wait. Why don't I just lend you the money? You can just buy it now.
No, it's alright. I'm not really that hungry anyway.
But you came all the way to the store. Are you sure you're not hungry? It's not good for you if you skip meals.
I'm fine. I told you I'm really not hungry.
So you were actually gonna buy something, right?
Oh my god, this is so embarrassing! I want to die right now!
Thank you, please come again. I bought something anyway, so do you want to eat it together? If you still want any bread, I figured we could,
Okay. Oh my god, we're going to eat together! Ah! I'm so glad to be alive.
In that moment, she was so happy that she forgot the noise that her stomach made.